Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use a QR code to search up something on Google Maps, so let's get right into it. Now, in Google Maps, as you can see, I'm on the PC version, but this works for the app version as well on your phone. You really don't have any QR scanner built in, but there is a feature where you can pretty much turn any link into a QR code, and that's not exclusive to Maps. It's available for everything. You can just find a QR code creator online and very easily use it to create your own QR code. And when you input a link from Google Maps, you can very easily create a QR code of that. Now, once somebody scans it, and if you want to scan it, you can use pretty much any app you can find that does do QR code scanning. Usually on phones, it's built in. Most modern phones have a QR code scanner within their programs or within their apps, so you can very easily find it, or even more likely it's built into your phone's camera, so you can just point your camera to the QR code, scan it, and then enter it, and that's going to open up the Google Maps link and show you the exact location. However, what I would like to mention, in case that you don't have a QR code scanner built into your device, you can very easily just download it off of the App Store or Google Play Store. There are a lot of them that are available. There are QR code scanners within other apps as well. So, for example, Viber does have their own QR code scanner if you need it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.